So we are going to start the third session of the first day of National Seminar on Diagnosis. The third session would be the paper presentation, and we have actually two groups. So the first group having 6 presenters, and first and the foremost would be Dr. Tendel Wandu, Dean Faculty of Traditional Medicine, Khesar Gyalpo University of Medical Sciences of Bhutan. So he'll present on the urine examination in Swarikpa. Diagnosis of visual observation in Swarikpa. Visual observation. Thoa yurik kitawa. Dikolaya Tende Wandula. Please start your presentation, and the presentation will be for 10 minutes. And if you cut short, you can have Q&A within that time slot. Thank you. Please.
Yeah. Oh, 참말라 구정보 치료될 수준. I'm apologize. My presentation I couldn't make translate in English, so I am going to present a few about the urine analysis. The narangi the selshit the presentation segidu the begin al teto shugi in shugi. The tension ngotre china the ngotre geden the purpose the taktabrik body condes is already the tonga yurigi takpa chuta the dretani taksul the kandevina the cole chuta dretani the viperi partiore tak di sumnam taksul gu di nimedu chuta taksul kang tak rungam se yore ning yidinji twiche beche jetang dene yidin taktap number 2 dene jugduwa je kitole shugire ta ngotita bechina julle yidin begi tap teba darigi taktap tang teba dengrigi takpa 통화 유리기 딱딱 숨이 비나니 다리 추다 딱탑디 더 결천도식 그랬지 숨여버려 디기 돈에 더 참아디 슈투기미 더 나랑 다 낭비 맹강세기요 디라 간데지 딱여비나 디기 꼴레 떠치슈기 인식이 슈이 추다 딱술 내량연도 더 이시 자리 망보식이 왜 대다 상마 땡상 다 상마 날레 탑 투기미도와 더 디디 꼴레 떠치슈기 never di nima the never shobangamudi chuda tatugi minduwa nangde nebishak to the inpatient sergiduwa dende meta de chuda shobangamudi tatugi medi di the chuda di nebe keryong di chuda ngado chute ngabara tamagi tamaina di nima de chute chuba chuchi wala the menkanor keryong di kandete tagibi ina digi kone shugin dertin de chuda dangmode laryang jetagni senmidiki 카도당 될 디마 메톡 다 남딱지 제투비 체주 예대인미기 있대 16 세니다 리사스타부 뜻 충충지 제와 디슈웨 인슈니 다디 10셀 디데 리사스티가 게젠 가데치 제네 제바 인세나 추다 딱탑데 딱탑 넘버 숨기난 셀레 네 니즈비 탑소 타부식 수연행 대비 롱어 주차 니점기 링 다랑데 남비 맹강 대두기 남비 맹하세요. 단ning 남비 맹한 때와 요래 다 중화 돔니 다 납주 ngani 참 요래 디나라 다 멤버 망보식니 다 추다 딱이 요 말에 된디 인디 다 추다 딱의 위기 디다 슝네 숨어 있는 디다 참에 다 딱이 메버래 땡상 멤버는 그 류이 딱 받아 살라 딱비 돈이 니시 디다 디타부식 인육제 카마르 연결에 당니 맨제 제바 마도 때 추다디 다솔 만 냠바다 부식 냠도와식 이어버래 대내 차랑 절도네 따랑가 투 중시베 숭예비기 나네 다 추다 디다 따랑가 투 상맥이디 추도 따랑 투스 꾸에 셀세네데 연양 디디 추다디 딱이 민두세 되니 데디디 도로 노아 마시비기 데 노창 창마 디세고비치 이내양 데 추다디 데 라르 타기 민두세 멘치 렉니 강중 데 니니진 렉버 제마주 딜라다 참에 다 멤버데 암짓 캐와 참에 된데 숭이도 다디 메지 야고 간데지 저기 인민디 데다 추다 니시 딱탑 리발라 라글기도 이 인당 다 딱탑 리베기 추다디 공불당으로 결체 버렸어 다 니시 친줄리 록두 니진바 이나 맨지 장 친줄룩도 돼 네비 니진베기 탑디 추다 딱술 렉지기 치도 십주제바 인세 다 딱탑 리바 다이노시스인디 다 딱탑 리바 셰바니 니지 강중의 주장 롱겐 나룩사 따추 데딱 텔라테니 데네 샤타 텔레 짜빡 샤지 리바 솔라니 강예 딱지 제비니 시라 딱딱 리바 셰로테 대양 줄레 메당 두어 지진도 네킹이니 딱라중 셰타위 두위 딱레 메르셰바당 신두 네키 딱라테니 난두 넷 강예 셰투비 탑람델라 딱딱 리바 셰체 니시 딱위 탑당 딱위 고 딱술남 술튼 두 라렌 타바 이나 데이터 내시디아 강인 지신 똑똑 바당 내마 있는 내시디 출신 또 밑에 버송데 딱탑 밑에 멤베 따니 따수 미시데 두알랑버 풀다자 세 숭다다가레 다 디나니 통화 유리기 딱 바디다 다 observations 내다 다 디나라 다 따터릭 베나라 미게수 따웨고네 딱비시긴 딜라 네비기 미랑진디수 따게 바당 델레수 체충 데네 카독 니비 카독 니진니숨 셰체충 지레임바 제 카독도 제감 카독 랑바 체충나 트리마 사투데서 추 나라 부와 상견 빌와 데수 여바 디수 참다 딱탑릭베나레 요레 디 나네장 딜라다 치르나 데네 차설니 추셰 예비기나네 다 니기닌 사르셀위기 인행다 나랑 저기 디 추다디 참에 맞닥과 이나 니기니 펼쳐 딱 밑에 버다고식도 세슈기 다 추다 딱 맞투버 인디 데다 나랑 저다 나베맹강 가와장사 템불라다 맹강 쳔모디란 디레 디나라다 추다 딱탑디 냠로네 딱 투기 민두선이다 추다 딱 데이터네 딱베기 다 딱탑지 다디 칠로 니동 2009 디 잠라 데 추닥 강미강세 충추지 소여바레 니나라다 간데디 딱이 예세나 네베 추닥 드라모데 다 캐롱디 다 추독 당 부와 디마쿠유디 데 간데 지두세 딱이요 디 가데제니 딱이세나 다 추닥 드라모데 다 쉘둥 트립 세기도와 트립 충충지나라 the look the trip the dinayore the trip the delay nana the semodi the such dread tane dilate dinal tagiore to look ne detsedi that pelcher the mi zubu detseda nyamba the degree celsius sigidu that's sumchu sodun samla tane tagi lale the that's dread tane tagiore 대추다 되는 셀위기 부와당 티마쿠야 망뇽당 데서 창마 추다 제 첸미디기 딱딱 창마 디나라 랄렌탑기 요래 자 삽투 간데두 디 통투바요 세다 나랑디다 롭종 기타 나라 레다 코라다 마 클리닉션 디소 덴데트 타기 요래 다 나랑이 디타 망보시라 타요 말에 이내 나랑다 롭투 냠 데레 두디테 타웨 마도 데다 사망하라 디다 냠 쳔부치라요 말에 다 코라 클리닉션스 데레 타기 요래 이내양 델레 데타니 따출디 주중당 겔레 미룽세다 펠처니 멤버 펠처니 디 주중디 다다 쇼바 디 나모 땅비기 추디다 니 쇼바넬레 니당 중디 짜세 덴데지 메바 이나 덴데디 미룽세다 디 가파제디 데타다 다다 제바 방보요래 덴데 다 디디 페리레 데데치 데네 따기 요세 다디 추도 코라기 뭐마 디나 데 3 times and 9 method 다부틱 다 디디나 요아레 딱비기 디숨 셀미디 땅비디 다 딘수디 참마다 롭종 나심바당 달로투투이네 데 참마덴데레 니엘기디 담르주비기디가 딱술구 센디디 돌란디메도 니엘디 뚜글 다니두디 데텐소 딱여바레 센니다 다 코라기 슝다부이나 덴디지요레 다 딩미미기 추디 딱 룽암세 디다 두와타부식 딱케네 디 줄레 남체 편지 됐던데 요아리바 추벌 남미니스 타워를 따지 돌 꾸였다 쇼번일니 데덴데 수이디 다 추다 당모데 디 덴디치 전에 디 뜻이 데 노출 중스기레세 세네 덴디치 뒤어레 연장 데터마저세 네트워크 맹항레 갑다 단다 암체 프로페서 단린 총네 디 덴디치 콩라게 디 추다 데탁네 딱설지에 수요거래 딩아란 속이네 디 더 코랑 클리니션 데서 덴데치 라비오레 덴데추 탑 메비기 자왈라 덴데치 투요나 데다 추다 데세 데타네 데팝니 덴데데 디기레서 디룽당라 시샤네 코라야 덴데제바여서 기도 단네데 맹하들 그 추진 독당 랑바 디체라 땅나 데 sorry 땅나 미룽 땅나 룽세 sorry 디 땅나 룽세 셋방테서 덴데요 멤버라레 님이 추티 찌찌기는 데도 펠처지기 다 추티 쭉찌기 잡라이나 다 학과도 덴데다 간데세다 딘 망보송어이나 디 미룽세 덴데야 랍히요레 추티 찌찌기 님아 추티 찌찌 난케 이나 덴데 때터지 두기레세네 랍히요레 다 간데네 다 단다 캬바 망보요레 티츠기 데 독절에 나요 저기 데 그래와요 다 니진지비기 투체 베쳤다 맹강 신 솔레이나 던던다 딱타브릭 베기 난라데 덴데 트체 센리기 다 드리기 트체 테크놀로지 이퀴프먼트 다 망보식 라렌 탑기요레 다 페르나다 속폴라이네 당가라 속폴라 롭존지요레 데 속베기 소와릭 바다 드리기 맹하요레 디날라 데 네팔 발포 덴솔레 다 자가나이네 덴데 망보 자나 다다 덴솔라양 데 덴데 트체 데소 베체지기도 이내당 말한 수다 낭베맹항 다 딜레이나 따위나 다 중기 니딘 제비기 맹한지레 인디 덴다 중기 레콩 다 콩라기 딘종 제킨서 덴데다 랑룩 낭베맹항 랑룩 소와릭 파세기도 덴디 인디 디 랑룩 세위 강래 데다다 팔스타인스 다 차타 차이톤네다 다 추다 덴데지 따고레 마토 덴데 다 타나 덴데 네딱 틀체 비비 인스트루멘트기도 덴데한테 다 저기 말했을 때 덴데지에 깡진지요 그래. 다디 딱딱 상면이나니 덴데 더 네버지기 강라 덴데 상마 딱딱 주 세기도 덴세 상마 랄렌 탑 tum나 덴데 니딘 야고지 투기 삼니 디디 데다 멤버 팔셔니 다 덴데 상마 딱지 지기민도 봐 덴데지 인디 다 상마전에 딱 틈나 제 약보를 삼기도 롱아 죽길나 딱과 유라 데비니 간데치나 숨바 속당 시위디 간데치나 데 네비기 랑진 나소 겐션 네바 숨기 랑진 당위디 세세 페넷 곰바 주바 출라 딱바체 탕 틈나 데네지디 딱지 약보제 투기 삼니다 다 주런다 쟁생 포주 록신 주루 뉴웨기 잠링나 랑리 추다기 딱탑당 신딱탑 남장 냠바소르 주당 미냠 공펠 남게비 디세 결진식도 레비 덴결시 주당 추대 디토니 네시 강남 강 니딘 셀포 제투기 예메 속장 덴베 데남게비 디빌시발락세 다데리치레 투제체
Thank you. Amjila tandata tuju maandrasra ending it to mewachigi. No question answers for because we are running out of time. So next I'll be requesting Mr. Sanchi Mishra, right? BMS 4th year Faculty of Ayurveda, IMS BHU Varanasi. He'll be presenting his paper on Stool Speaks a Lot in Ayurveda, from Koshta to Agni to Purisha. So please go ahead.
So this presentation is primarily meant for undergraduate students of Soba Rigpa and the experts of Ayurveda. Please don't mind it because it's at the very basic level, just for the introduction to the Soba Rigpa students, that what we deal about at the basic level. So first of all, as sir was saying that Soba Rigpa is not like BS, MS, BMS, it's not called that. So Ayurveda is actually called Ayurveda Charya. It's for the our modern counterparts that we have made it BA, MS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. The actual name of Ayurveda is Ayurveda Charya, like we have in Soba Rigpa. Let's move forward to the journey. Okay, so it's working. Oh, as it's there, Purish Pariksha. Purish stands for feces or stool and Pariksha is the examination. So Purish Pariksha is a vital pathological investigation tool used to diagnose the disease in an individual. The variations occurring in Purish, that is feces, have been explained well in Ayurveda, but are available at different places and are needed to be smartly interpreted. So these different places are given in the reference at the last page. I will stop for a couple of minutes over there. You can note it down. It's like 10 references I have collected all around, talking about Purish somewhere, right? So Purish Pariksha gives us information about the status of Agni. I will explain Agni. And symptoms of abnormal doshas. Doshas are like some of friends were telling about Sova Rigpa, the three similar to Vat, Pitta and Kapha, Rang, and any of you can name it, right? Could you please Rang, and what were the bandhas, something from B. Similarly, there are doshas. So with the types of Purish, we can identify Vat, Pitta and Kapha, right? So prognosis of diseases and presence of parasites. Some of the physicians here, they know how they do it with the stool examinations in Ayurvedic as well. Then, what's Kosht? So, as the title said, from Kosht to Agni to Purish, that is feces. So, what's Kosht? Kosht stands for the cavity in the body for giving place to internal organs, right? From the physiological point of view, it is explained as intestinal movements in accordance to the individual's constitutions. Let me make it clear, the things explained in here are being tried to be translated in English, but like to understand Sova Rigpa to the soul, you understand Tibetan. Similarly, to understand Ayurveda to the soul, you will have to understand Sanskrit. But for the understanding perspective, I've tried to translate it to English and somewhat understand it. And when we don't keep care of our Kosht in good condition as we inherit it at birth, it starts to develop diseases. So the type of Kosht you inherit at birth has been divided into three types for Vataj, Pittaj and Kaphaj Prakriti. And let me tell you, there is nothing like Vataj, Pittaj and Kaphaj Prakriti. Things are like how much Vat you have, how much Pitt you have, and how much Kaph you have. So it's like the DNA composition we talk in modern medicine, that this. So similarly, it's the ratio comparison. So everybody is blessed with some type of Kosht, and you have to maintain it in a normalcy, and like I will explain it later, and you can ask in questions also, right? So there are various types of Kosht according to individual constitution, which are explained later. So what is Krur Kosht? There are three types. First is Krur Kosht. Krur Kosht fundamentally is seen in individuals with Vataj Prakriti, right? Krur stands for stiff in Sanskrit. So Krur Kosht stands for hard intestinal movements. Many people in constipation. So that's hard intestinal movements. Hence, Vataj Prakriti individual naturally have hardships in evacuation of feces stool. So in hostels, we face problem with many of the guys who are like in the washroom, and there are common washrooms. So we face problem, they are sitting for hours. So these are the Vataj Prakriti guys. Next is distinguishing qualities of Krur Kosht are hardships in evacuation of stool and uncertain behavior of stool. So if there is some guy who's having feces and pressure like in 2 days or in 1 day, a very irregular behavior, and if he's taking a lot of time in washroom, tell him that you are a Vatas Prakriti guy. So that's something very practically used. Okay, so fundamentally seen in, so it's Mridu Kosht, next one. For Pittash Prakriti, Mridu stands for delicate, Mridu Kosht stands for easy intestinal movements. Pittash Prakriti individuals have smoothness and effortlessness in evacuation of stools. So it's also not that good. If you are getting into the washroom and you are unable to control your pressure, it's required to control this pressure. If you are feeling, anybody is feeling pressured right now, and if you have to run out of it, you will have to miss my lecture. So Pittash is also, extremes are never good. Similarly like this. Okay. So distinguishing qualities of Mridu Kosht are effortless in evacuation of stool, like you went in and it's out, right? And then feces are wet and slippery and yellowish coloration. For the further explanation, there are specific gunas, gunas as in qualities of Pittash. So there's Snigdha, Dravya, that is unctuous and liquid. So because of that it's there. If anybody needs, I can explain it later. Okay. So because I want to make some time out for questions also. Okay. So fundamentally seen, Madhyam Kosht is especially in Kaphaj individuals, and Madhyam stands for not to the extremes. So it's like medium, but not exactly, not to the extremes, right? So Madhyam stands for medium intestinal movements, okay? Kaphaj Prakriti individuals naturally have moderate and easy evacuation of stool since birth. So it's good to be moderate. Neither you are just running up to it, or nor it's like you are sitting in for hours, right? It's good to be, okay, I can control it, I can go for after 15 minutes. Okay, next. Distinguishing qualities of Madhyam Kosht are moderate effort in evacuation of stools and feces and are moderate and adhesive in nature. You can well understand it. Okay, so next is Agni. So from Coast we have now jumped to Agni. Coast is the GIT that I explained you. Now we have come on to Agni. Agni is said to be present in Amashay. Amashay is the Sanskrit word for stomach. Again, it's not the exact translation. For understanding the exact philosophy behind it, we have to understand the language too. Then, where partial digestion occurs, we know that stomach, partial digestion occurs, and then Grahini is there, which comprises of duodenum and also some part of small intestine. So Grahini is again the main term in Ayurveda for understanding it further. It's in Sanskrit, English we have translated it. So completion occurs, then food moves on, ahar as we call it in Sanskrit, moves on to the stool formation process, and Agni helps in digestion. Now Mand Agni is there are three types of Agni again, Mand, and I will move forward with other ones. So it's seen in Kafach Prakriti individuals. Mand stands for them, and Mand Agni is like mild to moderate digestion. Okay, Kafach Prakriti individuals naturally have moderate bowel movements since birth. Okay, next. Then it's Vishamagni. Vishamagni is seen in individuals with Vataj Prakriti, right? So Visham stands for irregular movements. So Vishamagni stands for unpredictable and inconsistent digestion. Sometimes I ate something and it's digested, and next times, oh my god, I ate so much, this time it's not getting digested. So it's irregular, it's not definite for that guy. Okay, then Vatas Prakriti individuals naturally have irregular bowel movements since birth. So the things you see in them are since birth. Now, for example, this one, Vishamagni guy, if he is going to consume the Vatas Prakriti food, the food is also divided in three parts for more time. Like if you are a Vatas guy and you are eating more Vatas Prakriti food, it's going to aggravate to the further level and you're going to suffer through disease, which an other Prakriti guy, if he is going to consume the Vatas food, is not going to suffer through it because he is not to the end point of it and you are to the borderline. Right, so if you're going to have it, you are going to suffer through the disease, but naturally you are not suffering through a disease. Naturally, your constitution is that you are meant to have this digestion, which is different from your hostel mates or batch mates, right? So this irregular and unpredictable nature of Agni leads to the formation of crude coast, which is also irregular nature, and the evacuation of stool becomes difficult and tough. Next. Then Tikshna Agni. Tikshna Agni is in Pittash Prakriti individuals. Tikshna means sharp or intense, and Tikshna Agni stands for quick and into intense digestion, right? It's like you have eaten it, oh my god, I'm again feeling hungry in next 1 hour. So these guys, you say you are eating a lot, but actually it's the problem of the God-gifted constitution. Okay, and not a problem, it's there. We should respect everything that's created by God, so it's one of them. Next.
Yep,
Done.
you've got 2 minutes.
Okay, Pittash Prakriti has these qualities. Next is Purish. So we have come on to Purish. We have jumped through Kosh to Agni to Purish. Purish is physiological and pathological. They are both of them. Vatash Prakriti Purish is going to have these two, hard bowel movements and dark color and dry stool. Pittash Prakriti is going to have soft and easy, as I have explained earlier before, right? Mridu and all. So then Pittash Prakriti guy, he is going to have the frequent defecation. Kafash Prakriti guy is going to have moderate bowel movements and irregular evacuation and regular evacuation, sorry. And then Sampurish, and so these were the physiological ones. Now I'm talking about the pathological ones, right? So Sampurish is the pathological with the arm over there. So diseases like Sampurish fuses with mal and excretion. So your Purish, as Ayurveda says, there are sweat, that is sweat, and mutra, that is urine. So it fuses with them and creates the pathological conditions. Okay, that's the Ayurvedic way of understanding things as I do it. Okay, so Jan Nimajjan Pariksha is there, that you put a Purish in water, and it is said in Shastras that if the Purish sinks, it's Sampurish, otherwise it's Niram Purish. I'm talking about it later. Sampurish is evacuated in higher frequency and quantity along with disgusting odor, frequency and odor. It can cause a stomachache and penis. Okay, Niram Purish is there, does not combine with Mal, Dosha, and so it's okay. And regular frequency, color, odor is the perfect guy. Okay, then these are the references. Please open for questions.
So one question we'll take up at the most, if there are any. Yes, you have.
I would like some
Please go
Sovarik participant to ask it, because these things are very basic for him.
Right, right.
These things are like he's been learning it for years more than me.
Anyone from the Swarikpa?
Anybody of Sovarikpa interested in any of the concepts that I just quickly jumped through, such that I can complete it and let you ask a question? And he can assist me in answering it because he's a better expert than me.
Okay, only one thing.
Yeah.
Have you skipped something in Koshta? Actually, only to complete that.
Yeah, and to make out some time for questions, because I wanted them to, it's mainly meant for those, because I think so, knowing more than one dimension of medicine is always important. Koshta. So Kosht, you can understand it's the cavity. I translated it to GIT, not exactly, but similar to GIT. So Kosht is good, inherited, it's given something since birth. So Vataj Prakriti individual is going to have crude coast. Vataj in the sense, if you want to identify him, he's spending a lot of time in washroom. Okay, so that's a crude coast guy. Okay, and uncertainty and hardships. So that guy is not in the pathological condition, it's his physiological condition. But if that guy is going to consume Vataj Prakriti Ahar, okay, then he is going to turn it into a pathological conditions. But if that guy is going to have Kafaj Prakriti Ahar, that is going to turn this guy, Madhyam coast guy, into pathological condition, but not the crude coast guy, because he is not in the extremes of that. So there are three directions: identify in which extreme you are and avoid eating the food of that type to avoid such diseases, as I think so I'm right. It's correct.
So thing is, he mentioned three kostas. One is Krur, one is Madhyam, and other one is
Mridu.
Mridu.
Mridu. Mridu, Madhyam, or Karur. So it is according to the Prakriti. Prakriti, Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj, he is telling now. So Prakriti is the constitution of a person, constitution of body. So fourth Koshtha is there, known by the name Samakoshtha. Who is having
The perfect
Samakoshtha?
one, not found very easily, but that's a very perfect one with all the balanced doshas. It's not practically found very much. Am I
Yes.
true?
So
It's not practically found, but it's there in the Shastra theoretically.
So
Continue.
thing is, he was keeping that one, and that is actually defined in the constitution who is having these three dosha in balanced state. So that three doshaj prakriti. So firstly, to know Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj, prakrutis, it is very important to know how many constitution are existing on earth in the human beings. So Ayurveda defines how much prakrutis?
Three.
Seven.
Vataj-
Seven.
Seven.
So
Seven
Vataj,
as in-
Pitaj and Kafaj,
Yeah.
they are singular.
They are in different combinations, right?
So let me tell in 1 minute.
Three.
So that's more or
then
less
the
like a
combination.
genotype,
Vat,
you know.
Pit, Kaf
Yeah,
and Vat, Kaf.
exactly.
And the
Blood
last
clotting.
one is
Genotype.
the last one is the triple combination, and that person is having Samakoshtha. The balanced state, the healthy person is having the Samakoshtha. It is not very difficult to find. It is rare. Yeah, it is rare. But
rare.
classics text, the etymological terms of Ayurveda, they are telling very clearly there are 4 types of Koshtha. 3 he tells here, the 4th one is Samakoshtha. We have to check in the Nadi also where the Samakoshtha exists.
Right.
The
Thank you.
question is
I'm
Yes.
interesting.
trying to
Thanks.
introduce to you the possible pathological conditions which you can define through Ayurveda and have another dimension, so making your 2D image to a 3D higher definition TV.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you
Thanks.
so
Thanks
much.
for listening.
Next, we have Dr. Nawaz Singh. Dr. Nawaz Singh on analytical study on tongue diagnosis in Swarikpa. Dr. Nawaz Singh, Department of Swarikpa, Central University of Tibetan Studies.
Suri shungle tongwa chi taktabla cheba tome tam chi neshi ngunzen cheba takta rikpa ni medu mirungwe tablan kechen shikde sheju liu neshi pa nyeba ngu su tenpa takpa le ngu sun takla lapa ni medan tuwa chi shindu neji ngu ne takla sun takta mebe mebayi tanyi tasu mi shede tuwa lamba chudang cha tindu chachung sewa ta mange tasu cheba yu techi ngunzen taktab che she sun tiang takta rikpa changle dejang tarik chesum tu matube taktab shenshik meba ni zawa tuji gyule Nela tarik tiong yon she cha she dang che ra mi ki tawa che takta rikpa ni tongwa yu ki takta cheba chenshi yinpa ten sheba kui gyule cheba che dang chula takpa cha she ten tena tongwa mi ki yu tu chuwa che takta rikpa ni takta cheba chenshi yinpe che dodang tang kamle jamchub so le nirik mangta chi ngunzen che tupa ma se lalen che tab dewa shik jang yin jir rangri sori shung tu tongwa che la zaju ngusung takta shin liu su tu ma ten yang zaju tang she ju myanga ju che su kato ju chu tu nebi tongwa che takta tang cheba menje dewe jebu nela pepi che takta jinye tenpa nam chikdu dune ngala gyaje kase che ju ni tuyu ki gogor tongwe koyo tongwa che takta kase chi benden ju shi tang dewe jebu zo chi be lendab so shibdu nyingju du lenji che takta la saje namba jedu che ne zazu ni de liu tsenpa sabo shi dubar shuju yu saje namba je ne tongwa che nengwe songwa la ngondu tatu tane tazu tang tame namju che tang chiche takpa saje jedu cha xie saje jedu lungri ni je gone tongwa chi taktab la ngunjin sabashi tunju yin tiang neji tala nebarangi nywe tata membe nywe ta ni ye nebarangi nywe tate ngagi thwale tene shetu batang membe nywe tate thongwa mingla tene to thupjin thongdi ni la tene ne ngunjin chetu ba ten chelang thongdi ni ga ta chote migi thongwa chi dodang jamchu kamle tang ngagi thwa chi rola tene ne ngunjin chego tena chi dodang jamchu zam member rolang takba 인데 지 왕배 제례조니 로 영화 제주당 영제 롤라테네 예버숨지 장신 시도진 카로카와 투나 롱당 카로 줄라카와 티바 카로 미세와 백겐제 시도 대한 벤덴 주실레 투다 롱이 전에 동라게 제가 마주 카로카와 투 티바 투다 자제 트림조 고나 샤자 카로 줄라카 백겐 투다 전에 친구데 강에 진인결 미가당 시송 당보 응도 스주 라바 당봉은도 서절라바니 스벤라소 서주 탁별이 제도 규지 미덴 방와차 시에 통마제라 마다콘도 스벤당 서주리 반 줄기 소지 제 도당 점주 감면 소지 장신 주도와 된 방괴 시야 꼼각바당 저와 제타와 마인바 균텐투 균텐신 도그 니바 따두 도랑 점주 세지 예매 강의 니당 중도다 제바데 제라 따위 튜닝 예매 인양 쇼방아부 니당 여사당 니당 매장 로여설当即都当政治所让心，我们社会统统，顺吧，当年这个对面跑送党特殊演员马律大把家写接了单位内做你这一国就跑送党特殊演员介绍。是吧？得罪接了大白去你这一国北京党与提吧就弄了做大个天结果演员我都老演员党基于特殊业务清党用途切不大。接触演员我都开幕演员你结果演员艺术应当基于让你破解你接触艺术就能接受写家和这里就都社会性所有的兄弟恰当我是点的其实这就人的没都没容我论尽的结束都过来接触你呢开幕你了内有大接着哪部人了超我修为的决定高人民的协党得结不了新都高论的的苏达那把青年多熊大干把人呢多马行通呢开面呢他们哪边高拿切把党的情报协送我把他们你们姐姐里面就日当怎么马将联系年的年当着协党其实这就人的没都没容啊论尽的结束都过来马将联系年的年当着协那把么就为建议多当马了将把糖联系年把你们姐姐因두바 내전지제 자주 감신 산나 내전지 시 넘버 9의 지 제니 내매지 제레 도친 지 랑신 도 야라 주바당 감시 사원내나 남주 내전지 제인 둔바 지단 치다 제인 내외송아 당보 지 다주된바 지지타게 차장라신예 백인 자세 마감 차회지 자리 당매 잠라 장회지 셰바데 지더 저주신 제라 때네 내 차장 예주 여바당 디 예배 천이 조진의 차장기 지지 대신 디네 지 차장 만노와 예와 제주 예와 제비 통화지 딱답인 지 통화지 통화 제지 딱답인 시양 검주 마도 내장 차장 예주여 배나 말라주바 타기 제 나라주바 롱기제 대신 롱 장화 인양 롱제 천이 마신 깜바니 장외 공수 또나卷土 난데 마신 깜바니 롱더니 dom래 롱더니 dom래 중 대양 롱기 차 비버데 제도 마신 깜부 교회 차장이가 된 또나 내 차장이부 제 감론레 셰데 차장 감론 니레 셰 송외치 니바 제라기 따주된바 내 장버다바 저줄레 룽기 제니 마신감로 주 티제 백엔 제스 두고요 백엔 잘레 담에 점러레 시에당 시줄레 투다 룽기 전에 동라게 제가 마주 카로가와도 티바투다 자제 차림조 제딩 백엔 칠라 나고감 백엔 투다 전에 친구데 강에 진이 잘라 미가당 시에당 면주 칸에소알레 제네 룽티 백엔 잘라당 룽기 제네 주가 로민줄 티주 둠바마베 차외제 백엔 제네 자점 첼미데 시에당 대니레 지다 롱기 전에 동라제와당 제가 마주 카로가와도 시에당 대니레 지다 미팅 신바 추도세 카가 류자 니중 상와세 시에당 면주 류순발레 내다 전에 친구 샤와당 강에 진이 잘라 미가당 시에당 대외제볼레 제주 북대 반룸 제모 잠바 백엔노 말라주바 타인데 나라주바 루인노 자중 자눔 치메 제요당 kamla kamna pekeno sechin ramalukta ser kembatani tibao sheda menjule tene zala phabde zaje ke khaga chudo mala nyobao tene nodu phabde tangaka tima thukam chela pekencha tene thenla phabde zajucha 제감 사시마라 꼼데치 테네 슈크도 르발라 파베다 나부 카제감나 소데자 테네 슈숨 티베 튜인데 샤숨 티베 튜인데 차와 왕베 고바 카카라 제라 베제 소치 택바차 테네 샤숨 타도 탈라파 제감 꼼데체라 무디남 테네 샤숨 룽타 타비투 셰중 짜진 원나 제감주 셰다 면주 칸네소알레 제라 제오 제다 장레나 제당 카긴 추자 세민들 제중 파바 바이 누다게 고가 세고 세금 민들 나롱주 텐다 제중 담당 제다인 셰당 면주 꼼네소알레 대다 카제 제감 세미드 진유계가 원범해봐 꼼 셰당 대니레 제다 롱주 나당 지 로당 티민조 티당 로민조 티주 콩자 카가 티넘 백엔 캉에 런트 세미주 면주 랑답 내레 티버 흉나 카감 꼼데체 카가 티버 쭉진 세중 대 셰당 면주 쭉베 내레 티주 카가 세부 타신주 셰당 면주 진인 내레 캉어 태워갱금 시라지 셰당 면주 추세지 내레 튼법 닝러 추세 슈바인 제러 토버 준도 원와인 셰당 면주 자가지 내레 니중 쭉당 카고 왕부투 셰당 면주 매외지 내레 티주参与 티주 쳔머 뉴제 카가 꼼 셰당 면주 집에네 되서기지 마 조보치로 줘봐 타마딜라 나서 타마딜라 아니 예림 기타바딜라 맹아 주지 랜더 송은 자동세와 까더러부터 주민 치셔 주베 레딜리 예림레 니네 가베다수 땅에 제이딜라 백엔투 제주 담당 김부 토바자 년스 세동 제주 자세 류당 셰바양 닝라 밤나 제감 신 개멀 파바나 제통 티법 카가 제소 예림 티법 자주 세무니당 제주 가세옹 고세 제주 계신 소택차 포화 밤나 카가 티법주 예림 감루 제도자라 타머 슝tum 망 셰당 제주 자주 랜답레 제저 중복가표 킹 강라 리버군도 크 년지 중복 셰차오 셰송웨 셰송웨 신노 제바 제제 다바 제주 저주랜다 메두 메롱와 론진 대지 수도 거월레 나가 마미시와 치웨제 셰당 다외제볼레 제니 푸드 치웨 치와제 치와데 메진 제멀 통나치 셰당 집에 제제 따라 제니 감시 통나 소대자 셰당 셰주 지게레 왕부 유용아 타메 주메버 넘버 2대 유도 유메 고도나 신도 니웨 때레 제 왕부 냠버 주와이 로미세신 레글라 팀버주 셰당 추제 소나 제가 푸수트 셰당 치주 레 마장 제주 치 따라바 닝자 마자 제나 부주다 셰당 셰 공도 치주 저주랜다 메두 미롱와 론진 대제수도 거와당 대외 제부 셰주 메주 제수 치제 따 따급 치제 따급 칭용라 된등바시 땜베 라레 머티도 케와 제준디 신도네 개강 침부주 타메 제담 라네 제라 따다 서지 제도 집에 나네 응도 세줄라바탄 따위투 따네 남소르베 슝도 응수 마대양 슈레 저주 따답레 셰거바데 슝루시기 고든 제비 탐름시인 시양 서지 제본 남지 고든 용조 제루도 레레시 마대양 된닝보 소르베 슝도 카도도 르비 통화치 따다 지유남 직도 되데 슝전 직도 땜베 기신 라보도 내지다 제라기 따다 멀리바 칸라 강요신도 끄네 제라 소수이 나세장 카세도 예네 제 따다 세부시 땡그 제바디양 원나 위표지做 lumye kange sori desene kujishi bi 다다지베 경 소도당 양구 표지 소리베 템바 제지 제담디 배와 제 장방 강원 지rin게 표결로 니동 자당 12샤숨 잠네 메들르 고대베 나조 조고숨바당 아니 담만들 도지나 쓰셔
Okay, next we have Dr. Deepak Kumar Semwal. Is anybody here? No. So we have Dr. Pradeep Kumar Pal. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Pal, MD, Department of Rajna Sharir, Faculty of Ayurveda, IMS BHU, right? So he'll be presenting on diagnostic criteria to diagnose Shrotodrushti as described in Ayurveda.
Very good afternoon, respected dignitaries, all teachers and all the listeners who are present here. Myself, Dr. Pradeep Pal. I have just completed my PG in the Department of Rachanasari from Faculty of Ayurveda and BHU. Today's my topic is understanding the concept of Srota Drushti in modern aspects. So I am going to first idea of what is the Srotas. Srotas, these are the channels, paths are the empty spaces which allows to free flow or transportation of the various types of the materials through them. The term Srota is derived from the root Sravan, means proper secretions of the substances which also belong to exudes, whose filters are the term permeated. Srotansi, basically these are the our literature, Acharya Charak, notes that the खल परिणाम आपाद्यमानम धातु नाम अभिवाहन बहुत unearthed. It means these are the channels which carries the matured or full digested form of the different dhatus. So it is in a general way it is considered as the path. Srotas are also considered as the micro and macro channels on the basis of the morphology. Srotas are the spread throughout the bodies as in Ayurveda. It has been said that group of Srotas is Purus. Purus we can denote here. Purus is just like our whole body. All the spaces in body as the lymph vessels and blood vessels and all types of channels or ducts, tubes can be understood as a Srotas as channels. Now, Swarup of Srota, that is the appearance of Srotas according to Acharya Charak. These are the Swat Dhatu Samvalan Vrati Sulani Cha Srotans Dirgha Akrita Pratans Sancha. It means they acquired the appearance or the shape and size of the different dhatus. It may vary from circular and elongated form and also in the form of creepers of plant which are spread all over the bodies. Second Acharya Sustrut also note that all the channels which are present in our body except artery and vessels, it may be included at the Srotansi. What are the next is what is the causes of these dushtis, means what is the causes which visage these Srotasas. These included Ahar Viharasya Sad Gur Dosas Samadhat Vigurasya Srotansapado. It means all the improper dirties, erratic behavior and all the activities which are related to the speech, body and mind aggravates the Vatari dosas. This may causes the Sroto Dushti. Srota Drushti can be understood as any abnormality in both, either in gross channels like respiratory tracts, GIT, etc., and micro channels like vessels, capillaries, etc., and also in membrane pores of the cell membrane. This abnormality may be either in structure or in the function of that Srotasas. These Srota Drushti is also included of 4 types. One is Ati Pravti, that is the improper or excessive flow that normal physiology Sang obstruction is in free flow through these channels. And next is Siraram Granthi, origin of abnormal growth. Fourth is Vimar Ganam, that is the living in own path and entering in other path. What is now I explain what is the means real means of Ati Pravti. It means as excessive urination as it was found in diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus. Next is excessive watery stool as in Atishar, and other is excessive mucus secretion as found in coraza infection and allergy. Next is example of the Sang. Sang is the most common that involves almost all channels. Sang is the cause of a lot of diseases. One of example of one of these is atherosclerosis. It is a specific form of atherosclerosis in which an arterial thickness as a result of the accumulation of fatty materials such as cholesterol and triglycerides. It is a syndrome affecting arterial blood vessels. A chronic inflammatory responses in the wall of artery is caused largely by the accumulation of the macrophages and white blood cells and promoted by the low density lipoprotein without adequate removal of fat and cholesterols. It is also commonly referred to as a hardening or furring of the arteries. It is caused by the formation of multiple plaques within the arteries. And next is regarding the GIT. In blockage, if the intestinal wall does not allow food to pass, this may occur due to a twist in the bowel and intussusception or the wrong type of food lodging in a spot that has a small passage way due to surgery or adhesions. Adhesions may be considered as is the not improperly digested part of the food, which has a sticky in nature, which may create the adhesion in the large of the various places of the alimentary canals and other places also. Their excellent locomotor system. Is a very hazardous substance being macromolecular in size, cause obstruction to the channels of head and favors conglomeration of the dosage and thus due to the similarity of its biophysical properties with sclerosis, rust trickles. The sclerosis is found especially joint and accumulates here. It is the one of the cause of the rheumatoid arthritis. Form complexes with various dosage and gets converted into extremely virulent substances and cause inflammatory changes in what that is the rheumatoid arthritis joint disorder. Lymphatic obstruction is a blockage of the lymph vessels that drain fluid from tissue throughout the body and allow immune cells to travel where they are needed. Lymphatic obstruction may cause lymphedema, which means swelling due to a blockage of the lymph passage. According to Ayurveda, it may be due to the accumulation of samras. It is also undigested part of food, some rakt and some vedas. Inside blood, actually there are 7 types of dhatus in our body. They are preparing inside step by step. First is ras, rakt, mans, med, etc. Sira Namgantri, basically it is also cause of sang or obstruction. If any growth like tumor nodules originate inside the throat, also cause obstruction in free flow of its content. Incomplete bowel evacuation due to the piles is also an example of the Siranam Granthi. Vimargaman, that is according to Acharya Chakrapani, has defined as entrance of mud into the Mutra marg, etc. One disease generally known as in Ayurveda terminology, it is called as Bhagandar, and in modern it is considered as fistula. Is a main cause of above condition where mal gets entry into the mutra passage, obstructive jaundice in which bilirubin does not passes normally
2 minutes.
Okay, so with the stool and it reaches in blood causes more bilirubin through urine. Inflammation normally WBC flow in blood vessels. If any injury or infection agent enters in the body, then WBC run towards at the site of injury, leaving its own path. It is these all examples are the Vimargana. Thank you.
Any questions to the presenter? Tiwa yobana kurona, tiwa chijun khaya kewa yomare. Laptop. Hindi na kena digda. So you can put question in Hindi also. Any questions?
Yes.
अभी आपने ये श्रोता कहे
दुष्टि, yes, sir.
श्रोता है वो जैसे श्रोता ये दूसरे जो सेल भी होते हैं कोशिकाएं होते हैं
Yes,
वो
sir.
भी श्रोत्र में आ जाते हैं कि कैसे
No, sir. Actually, these are the channels which are present in our bodies. We may include the intercellular spaces which has the pores. It may consider as a srotas, but not a whole cell.
Sir, my question is there any differences between tumor and the one you said that developing plaques within the arteries?
Yes, ma'am. These are included in the type of srotodrishti when dosas due to their regions ahar and vihar they get vitiated, then they causes 4 type of srotodrishti. One of is a srotosang. It may produce due to the obstruction, tumor may arises, and also due to deposition in the arteries of the fat materials, it may create a plaques. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Dr. Neera Saini, PhD scholar, Department of Vikriti Vigyan, Faculty of Ayurveda, Indian Institute of Medical Science, Banaras Hindu University. She'll be presenting on critical analysis of Varna Arishta, body color showing fatal signs.
Very good evening to all of you present in this hall, organizers, respected teachers, all the participants and presenter. My topic is Varna Arishta, that is critical analysis of Varna Arishta, that is body complexions showing fatal sign. I am myself Dr. Neera Saini, research scholar in Vikriti Vigyan Department, Faculty of Ayurveda, IMS BHU. Ten asadhya rog khyapakam, this is related to chikitsa arishta, matlab fatal sign. In this, Chakrapani, who is commentator of Charak Sanhita, Charak, he said that before treatment we should know what is the fatal sign and what we should treat. Then the Indriya Sthan in which the fatal signs are described is described before the treatment. Arist, what is arist? In this kriya patham atikranta kevalam deham apluta chinnam kurvanti. Chinnam means symptoms, that is sign and symptom. Sign produced by the vishiti dosas which have transcended the sphere of treatment and pervaded all over the body, known as arist, that is fatal signs. Second definition is niyat marnam khyapakam lingam arishtam, and that means appeared symptoms which indicate the definite death of the patient is called arist. Classification of arist, according to Charak, two types. There is Purush strain, that is the fatal signs observed in patient, and Purusham Anashrit, that is fatal signs are not present in patient, but we can get information from the authoritative information. According to his behavior, it's his or her dreams, or either a lot of things are described in this under this topic. And according to Acharya Bhagbhat, it is of two types also. Sthai means permanent and asthai. Asthai means temporary. Basically, asthai is due to the excessive exertion of the vitiated dosas, and these subside after the mitigating of dosas. Varna means complexion. Although there are many fatal signs related to voice, related to dreams, related to her behavior or his behavior, and related to Varna, that is complexion. Mainly I have described here Varna, that is complexion. In Ayurveda, four types of complexion are described as natural color of body: Krishna, Shyam, Abdat. And one arist means unnatural, discoloration of body which showing the fatal sign. The Neel, Syap, Tamr, Harish, Shukla Varna means blue, grey, coppery, green, white, and mixture of two colors are known as the abnormal or arist Varna. In this, Acharya Charak has told that observation in the change in the color as blue, grey, coppery, green, white in nail, eyes, face, urine, stool, hands, legs and lips, along with the diminution of strength. In this, heen bal varna indriyesu lakshanam ayusam chayas. Lakshanam ayusam chayas matlab uski ayu, matlab he is going to die. Then and sensory perception. In this, commentator has said that sudden and abnormal appearance of abnormal complexions along with general weakness without any apparent cause. Acharya Chakrapani has said that if there is the discoloration in body but there is no loss of strength, then it should not be termed as arist. It can arist can be termed only when discoloration of body along with loss of strength. Discussion: skin coloration and weight loss may be caused by two separate conditions, but when both are conjoined, then it is a fatal sign. Sudden explained weight loss, especially in the presence of skin discoloration, may suggest a serious underlying health problem as sarcoidosis, in which the sarcoidosis is the development and proliferation of small clumps of inflammatory cells in the different parts of a person's body. Sarcoidosis is a disease of unknown origin that can cause skin discoloration and weight loss. Causes red rash, darker or lighter patches on the skin. Wilson disease. Wilson disease is a genetic disorder that causes skin discoloration, jaundice or a yellowish of the skin, weight loss and fatigue. Other maybe. These are maybe, not exactly. A chronic liver disease. Chronic liver disease is a condition that causes skin discoloration, that jaundice or a yellowing of the skin along with weight loss. Neilworm. These are the unnatural, discoloration. That is bluish complexion. Bluish complexion of the skin may be a sign of lack of oxygen in the blood. It could also indicate an abnormal form of hemoglobin, like in sickle cell anemia. Alternative name of this is lip cyanosis, as shared by Acharya Charak. Yasya nilab ubhav osto pakv jambhav sannibho. In this shlok, Acharya Charak has said that if the both lips of the person has become like a pakv jambhav, मतलब जामुन के समान जो नीले हो गए हैं, तो then mumursuriti, मतलब उसको it should be considered as that person is going to die, and it shows the showing central cyanosis. Although it is curable in some circumstances, but at that time it was incurable. Overview: blue lips may represent a type of cyanosis caused by, there are a lot of diseases which causes blue lips. Some are curable and some are incurable. Adult respiratory distress syndrome, carbon monoxide poisoning, COPD, cyanotic congenital heart disease, emphysema, asthma, aspiration pneumonia, pulmonary edema, acute mountain sickness and pulmonary embolism, tetralogy of Fallot, acute, all these, and pulmonary fibrosis, septicemia, ventricular septal defect, polycythemia vera, fertilizer and food poisoning. Siavard, that is greyish color. This also may be due to cardiovascular and respiratory system abnormality as methemoglobinemia and sulfhemoglobinemia.
2 more minutes, Doctor.
Okay, sir. In this condition, superficial blood vessels are filled with less oxygenated blood. Tamravarn, coppery color. It is the indication of emptiness of superficial capillaries due to anemia. Sometimes also in severe disease leading to abnormal renal function. Haritvarn. In long-standing cases of jaundice, color become greenish or dark olive. Shuklvarn, mainly due to less hemoglobin. There is other description of this discoloration in which half is natural and half is unnatural. Half is a normal color and half is discoloration. This symptom may be occur in head injury, secondary metastasis, space occupied lesion causing pressure on sympathetic and parasympathetic chain. Any exogenous or endogenous toxins leading to injury or imbalance of autonomic nervous system may indicate to wet gangrene. And these are piplu, Vang, Tilkalak, that is port wine mark, freckles, black moles in diseased person indicates also arrest. These can be understood as pigmentary changes. In melanoderma, hyperpigmentation occur at various sites of skin. Skin become either excessive black or grey. This occurs in long-standing disease as Kala Jar, syphilis, chronic dysentery, ulcerative colitis, Addison disease, pellagra, arsenic poisoning, etc. Origination of a piplu, and these may occur due to vascular dilatation of that place. These may vary in size and shape, may flat, may like mole, like tumor, or sometimes colored. Mostly these are neurogenic and may be malignant. Sometimes in form of angiomata or distended vein may appear as a advanced stage of liver of cirrhosis. There are some example which are described by different acharyas as Arisht lecture related to discoloration of body. As in कुष्ठ चरक निदान 5 में उपद्रव रूप में बताया स्याव अरुण वर्ण होता और सुश्रुत ने अरिष्ट लक्षण में बताया है कुष्ठ संदर्भ में रक्त नेत्रम यानी रक्त eyes become bloody. And पांडु इन कंसेप्ट ऑफ पांडु चरक चिकित्सा 16 में बताया है श्वेता आती है मतलब एक्सेसिव वाइटनेस ऑफ बॉडी. एंड और सुश्रुत ने बताया है पांडु नेत्र पांडु दंत नखो एक्सेट्रा. राज्यक्षमा में शुक्लाक्ष Suklaksh means Ragyachma means basically we accept it as a tuberculosis. In tuberculosis, Acharya Sushruta has said there is excessive whiteness of eyes. And Raktapit in which Lohitak Chari means eyes become reddish. These are described as Arisht in Arisht chapter as Arisht means fatal sign by Acharya Sushruta and Charak. Thank you.
One question from the floor. Yes.
Doctor, you have described a lot of diseases having its own discoloration, but as we say that all diseases can be summed up in 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So is there any specific discoloration for all these doshas?
Yes, there are there are some description of natural color of these dosas, but when these color become excessively, then if they we are talking about only skin color, what we can observe generally in this it has been said that without any apparent cause, if there is natural from birth, it can be understood as natural, but a sudden appearance of a discoloration without any apparent cause, but उसका कोई cause नहीं है लेकिन अचानक से सामने आ गया, तब उसको हम और with loss of strength, fatigue.
Thank you so much, Dr. Neera. And with this, we come to the end of this session. And to do the honor for the presenters, may I request Dr. Dojid Hamdullah, Head of Department, the convener of the organizing committee for the National Seminar on Diagnosis. May I request Dr. Tendel Wandi, Dr. Ngawan Sring, Mr. Sanchit Mishra, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Pal, Dr. Neera Saini,